This is a 2016 Chrysler Town & Country, and we are replacing the cabin air filter. The cabin air filter is behind the glove box. First thing we have to do is to remove the glove box. We'll open it up. There is a little tether right here we have to remove first, like that. Okay, it's almost like an elastic. Once we remove that, there is a stop on both sides of the box. Push this part of the box away. Okay. Now we have the box in the open position. Once the box is in the open position, we can just leave it hinged right there because we can see the door to our cabin air filter. It's right there. So the next thing we have to do is remove the door that you see here to the cabin air filter. There is a little latch on both ends. We'll push that towards the middle, like that. And there is the air filter. Leaves and all. Leaves and all, there it is. Alright, so air filter's all out, and to replace it, all we have to do is reverse our steps from here. Put our new air filter in. Put our cover back in place. Okay, there it is. The new cabin air filter is back in place. So let's put the glove box back in position. Put our tether on. Here's our tether. Put it before we push this box back. Okay, there's the tether. It's all in. Now we gotta get the stops by. There's the left one. There's the right one. And there's the glove box. All back in place. Alright. So that's all there is to replacing your cabin air filter on your Chrysler Town & Country.